Alright, so you got your gun, doing your training. What do we do now? I recommend now doing some dry fire. A lot of people don't like doing dry fire, but dry fire is a perfect way to practice, get all your practice in without using any ammo. Dry fire, you can work on a lot of things. You can familiarize yourself with your gun. You can work on your grip, work on your sight alignment, sight picture, get all that worked in. Just do different type drills with your gun. And 5-10 minutes a day, 3 to 4 or 5, times. You don't have to do it every day. I usually try to dry fire. My goal is to do 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, 3 times a week. And that's good. I also recommend if you're going to do dry fire, use some external aids. The Matches X10 is a great little thing you can use. You just set it on your gun here, and then it just kind of can recognize your shot patterns, and it gives you tips on when you're shooting. It shows up on your phone, and you can just tell what you did. Whether you pulled the trigger too hard, whether you were anticipating the shot, gripping too hard. You can get all of that with the Matches X10. So that's a great external aid to use. Also, if you're shooting an AR-15, get the Blackbeard. You just put in the mag and the BCG, and it'll help you out with your AR-15. I also would recommend getting if you can, for your gun, a dry fire mag. And the dry fire mag is just kind of, when you're doing dry fire, you have to, you point, you press the trigger, you have to rack that slide every time. So dry fire mag just allows you to, if you insert it in, you can just kind of pull the trigger, and now you just kind of keep pulling the trigger. You don't have to rack the slide. So anything that can help with dry fire is a great aid. Like I said, help you familiarize yourself with the gun, and you can work on a lot of things. Your grip, trigger control, sight alignment. So dry fire is great. So you got your gun, did some training, go home and practice that training with the dry fire. It makes no sense to go get the training if you're gonna go home and practice. So dry fire is important. Remember that, dry fire. If you're a believer in the Second Amendment, please help us spread our message and defeat these social media anti-gun algorithms. We are a small channel, but you can help our voice be heard by leaving a comment, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or even hitting the bell button to make sure you're notified when we push a video out. We're here to speak for you and make sure that your voice is heard and that your rights are not infringed. You can also help us support the channel. There's the link below where you can go buy fitting and tactical gear, pick you up a hat, a shirt, whatever, to just kind of help support the channel going forward. So until next time, stay safe, shoot straight, keep training, and carry a gun daily to keep you and your family safe. We'll talk to you guys next time.